The 2026 Cadillac Vistiq and the Audi RS e-tron GT stand on opposite ends of the luxury EV spectrum, yet they meet at the same crossroads of innovation, prestige, and the growing demand for electrified performance. This comparison matters now because the EV market is no longer defined by early adopters, it's shaped by buyers who expect refinement, practicality, and identity in equal measure. These two vehicles offer distinctly different interpretations of luxury mobility, and understanding their contrast helps clarify where premium electric motoring is headed. The Vistiq approaches the segment through the lens of elegance and utility. Its design carries the upright confidence expected from a mid-size SUV, with strong shoulders, a broad stance, and Cadillac's evolving EV signature lighting. In contrast, the Audi RS e-tron GT leans into emotional engineering, low, sculpted, and athletic. Every line is meant to emphasize speed and aerodynamic efficiency, making it clear that this is a Grand Tourer first and an EV second. On the road, their personalities diverge even more. The Vistiq prioritizes a calm, confident ride, tuned for stability, comfort, and family-friendly usability. Power delivery is strong but measured, aligning with Cadillac's goal of creating an effortless driving experience. Meanwhile, the RS e-tron GT responds with immediacy. Its dual-motor performance, lower center of gravity, and sport-tuned chassis give it sharper reflexes, designed for drivers who want EV power without sacrificing dynamic engagement. Inside, the Vistiq offers space and practicality. Its cabin emphasizes openness, premium materials, and technology integrated in a way that supports comfort for 5 adults and their cargo. The Audi counters with a driver-centric cockpit, lower seating position, and performance-oriented layout. Materials and craftsmanship are equally premium, but the focus is intimacy rather than spaciousness. Tech in both models is advanced, though Cadillac leans toward larger screens and a lounge-like digital environment, while Audi prioritizes precision and minimalism. Pricing and positioning reflect these priorities. The Vistiq targets luxury EV SUV buyers seeking comfort, space, and road presence, making it ideal for families or professionals needing versatility. The RS e-tron GT suits those who value performance, style, and emotional driving character. Choosing between them depends on lifestyle, spacious luxury versus dynamic elegance. To explore more detailed comparisons like this, stay connected with Turbo XL.